In this video, I'll show you how to update your iPad Air 6th generation. It's very easy. First thing is to go and find the settings menu over here. Then on the left side over here, select General. And then on the right side menu that will appear, you need to select on the top Software Update. Like that. Wait a few seconds, make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi, if not, the iPad will not be able to give you this information. And then if there is one software update available, you're going to see it over here. You can either choose to update now, the blue button, so it will be done right away, or if you prefer doing it later, let's say at night when you're not using the iPad and you won't be bothered by this, select Update Tonight. I'll select Update Now. I'll click on it. Oops, like this, and then you'll be asked to enter the passcode of your iPad. Once you enter the passcode, everything will begin. You're gonna get a bar over here with how much time is left and also how many minutes remaining more precisely. So go ahead, you just need to leave your iPad on a table and come back. Over here it says 4 minutes, just come back in 5 minutes to make sure that everything is done properly. Alright, and I'm done. It took a bit more time than what they said. It took more than 4 minutes. Maybe it took 8 minutes, since I think my Wi-Fi was a bit slow. So if your Wi-Fi is not that quick, it will take more time than what they say. But overall, this is it. This is how you update your iPad Air 6th generation. If you have any comments, please leave them down below. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.